Read or listen to all of the headlines in one place. Excerpts from the DroneLife drone news of the week of February 17, 2023. Click on the titles below for the full story. Here's Aerospace, DroneShield partner on integration of remote ID and counter-drone tech. Pierce Aerospace has partnered with Counter-UAS leader DroneShield to integrate Pierce Aerospace's Flight Portal ID remote ID technologies into DroneShield C-UAS and command and control systems, including DroneSentry C2, granting end users enhanced situational awareness and advanced UAS identification capabilities starting in 2023. The latest DJI Mini, Mini 2SA. Civilian drones and creative camera technology leader DJI announced the DJI Mini 2SE, an ultralight, palm-sized foldable camera drone suitable for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. Weighing under 249 grams, the regulation-friendly Mini 2SE is exempt from drone regulations in various regions. Its 1/2.3-inch CMOS camera sensor takes 12 MP photos and films video at 2.7K, and enables 4x digital zoom for seamless transitions between shots at varying distances. 20 drones, 1 pilot, Matternets New Waiver could change the economics of drone delivery. Last week, leading drone delivery system developer Matternet was granted an FAA waiver that will enable the company to carry out operations that simultaneously deploy a total of 20 aircraft under the control of only a single remote pilot. Valid only at Matternet's Pittsburgh, California test site, the 20:1 waiver allows the aircraft to fly beyond the sight of the remote pilot and the visual observer. The visual observer's presence is required to guarantee that the airspace is clear. This new waiver follows a series of other accomplishments by Matternet, including its recent FAA type and production certifications. GAO report on drone integration urges FAA to develop comprehensive strategy. News and commentary. The U.S. Government Accountability Office (GAO) report on drone integration found the need for a more comprehensive strategy and better communications. The GAO report on drone integration concluded with 4 recommendations. The administrator of FAA should develop a drone integration strategy that includes all 7 elements of a comprehensive strategy. The administrator of FAA should evaluate its current documentation to identify options to more clearly communicate how applicants can satisfy drone operational request requirements, and communicate FAA's internal process for reviewing and approving operational requests. The administrator of FAA should develop and document a formal lessons learned process for its drone integration activities that includes all 6 key practices for a lessons learned process. The administrator of FAA should implement the formal lessons learned process it develops for its ongoing drone integration activities, including Part 107 waiver reviews and the Beyond program. Heaven Drones launches new commercial hydrogen drone, H2D55. Today, Heaven Drones launched the H2D55, the company's first hydrogen-powered drone for commercial use. Boasting 5 times greater energy efficiency than that of a traditional lithium battery-powered drone, the lightweight H2D55 can fly for 100 minutes with a payload capacity of 7 kilograms. The H2D55 will be unveiled at IDEX later this month. The H2D55 is the first in a planned lineup of 3 hydrogen-fueled drones made to address lithium battery-powered drones' flight endurance and payload capacity limitations, in addition to the long-term environmental impact of lithium mining. SEThe's advanced inspection services will help develop North America's largest solar and storage installation. SEThe, which recently rebranded from DroneBase, has announced its advanced inspection services will be employed in the development of North America's largest solar and storage utility-scale power plant, Gemini, in partnership with the site's developer Primergy Solar. SEThe's advanced inspection services will be utilized to capture every stage of the construction process from a bird's-eye perspective, providing essential data that cannot be obtained from the ground. The company's services will also be employed to ensure that the 6,000-acre facility's site management is conducted with greater efficiency, guaranteeing that projects are completed within time and budget constraints. Skyport's designs for vertiports in Dubai approved. Check out these images. Advanced Air Mobility, AAM, vertiport infrastructure leader Skyports Infrastructure has had the development of its vertiport designs for Dubai approved by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The design was presented by Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority, RTA, Skyports Infrastructure and Joby Aviation at a closed presentation held before the World Government Summit 2023. Sprite on Elsight's Drone Source podcast, Drone Healthcare Delivery. Don't miss this episode with Sprite on Elsight's Drone Source podcast. Host Ben Gross interviews Sprite's Justin Steinke on the Sprite story, working with FAA and EASA regulators, and how Sprite is using the Elsight Halo for the BVLOS operations. UAVade brings drones to Sierra Leone Reforestation Project. A Sierra Leone-based pilot project is set to utilize drone-based remote sensing and data management technologies for the verification and monitoring of reforestation programs. Sierra Leone has lost over 30% of its tree cover since 2000 and has little in ways of funds with which to create new forests. At COP26, the government of Sierra Leone committed to planting 25 million trees by 2030 over 960,000 ha.